Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tweets. In today's video, I will show you how to clear system data on Mac. So if you have been using Mac for a long time and if you're having storage full issue, then you need to clear your cache data because system data is a storage category on macOS that includes caches, logs, temporary files and more. Over time, it can grow big and slow your Mac down. So how to clear your cache? First of all, go to your Apple icon, then about this Mac, and then choose more info, then scroll down and go to storage setting. Now you can see that your storage is around 109 GB, which is cache data. You can clear your cache data to maximize your storage capacity. Though I have enough space, I'm just making this video to show you how you can delete the caches. So you can see the system data is still now calculating. So first of all, to clear your cache, go to Command spacebar and then write this sign. You will find this sign at the top left corner of your keyboard. Then give a slash, then write library. You can see here library. Then you have to go to caches. So if you go to caches, you will see all the caches that you can delete. So select Command A and then right click, move to trash. You can see the caches are now moved to trash. It's 109 GB still. So now empty your cache. Right click and then empty your trash. It contains a lot of file. Okay, so you have to wait until it finishes. So you can see it's done, and here my size has increased, and you can see my system, at least 50% of the data is now cleared from the cache. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. If you still have any questions, comment below, and I hope you can now increase the storage size. Thank you.